Hi, Melody Gilmore here with the Realty firm. I'm here to show you my new listing at 949 Farnham Place, and this beautiful home has been updated, and you're going to see how gorgeous it is as we're going through, because in this room, which is your living room, it has brand new flooring which flows through the whole house. This room is nice and bright with big windows. It's a very spacious room. And then coming into the dining room, you'll see they've taken out a wall. They have a beautiful feature wall, gorgeous colors. The whole home has also just been repainted. And so you've got lots of nice room in here, and it's a big open area. And this is my favorite part. This kitchen is brand new kitchen. So all brand new appliances, granite counters. It is just gorgeous. And this is actually located in South London. And great location, it's close to everything. As we continue on our tour, we have our one bathroom here. And then in here, this nice cozy family room. We have a fireplace. And it's great because we've got the doors right out onto the back deck, which is perfect for the kids to go out and play. This is a nice cozy room. And the colors in here are beautiful. And coming back through, I'm going to take you upstairs, but I just first want to point out the railing, which is this is all brand new. The stairway's all new. Updated, very modern looking. And now I'll take you upstairs. And now we're upstairs, and I'm going to take you through. Here we have the master bedroom, which is a great size. Like, this is a king size bed, and it still looks like we've got tons more room. And you'll see just how nice and bright and big it is. And then it also has a little sitting area that you could use as a makeup area. And then his and hers closets. And then coming in, we have this bedroom, which is super cute. Again, the bedrooms are a good size. And you might notice the beautiful hardwood flooring through here. All you have to do is just move in here, and it's all ready for you. And here we have this room, which right now is set up because it's a nursery. So perfect room. And then we have family bath, which has a brand new vanity. You'll see how nice and updated that bathroom is. The other bathroom also has a new vanity. It's been all updated, beautifully done. Perfect. And now I'll take you downstairs. And now we're in the basement, which you can see is a great area. It's got lots of room, very spacious, perfect area for the kids to play in, or you could set up a bar, whichever you wanted to do. Beautifully finished and painted. And great area for entertaining. This area, the actual house, is located in South London, and it's just minutes from the 401, 402, close to the brand new community center. Great shopping, excellent shopping. Lots of places to eat, just a few minutes from the hospital, and because of where it's located, it's kind of easy to get around the city. I kind of love the South End, but so, and then over here, we actually have the laundry room. So, all you have to do is just sit back, relax. You can move in, you don't have to do anything. So, this house could be yours. Book your showing now. Buy and sell with Mel. Have a great day. Bye.